and learn with Jolene. Hello guys, look what we've got today. We've got the squishy ice cream. It looks so cute. Aww, and look at it. Whoa. Maybe I want to draw an ice cream today. Yeah, I want to draw one. Are you guys ready? Get your paper and your pen out. Alright, let's start. Let's put it over here. Okay, let's get started by drawing the first scoop. Okay, so let's do this like arch over here. Ta-da! We're just gonna make it a little bit bigger. And now let's do some little fluffy cloudies. There you go. And the last one. There you go, we've done our first scoop. Now let's do 2 scoops this time. So let's go like this. And let's do the other one. Now let's do the second scoop. Now this is gonna be really yummy. There you go, let's do these they're almost like little waves. Now up, then down, then up, then down. There you go. There's something missing. What do you think it is? I know, it's the coin. Now let's draw it. It's just like a little triangle. Here you go. There you go. And let's do the other part of it. We're almost done. Now let's do like a little pattern on the cone. Let's do it. So we're going to do a straight line here. And then do another one. Let's do another one over here also. And now we're going to go in the other direction. So going over here. And over here. And last one over here. We're almost done. Do you guys, you want to put on some eyes and mouths? Now I want to put our eyes over here and one over there. So let's draw them. There you go. And another one. There you go. Now let's do our little mouth. Okay, now it's time to color in our picture. So excited now. Let's choose yellow. Here, color that in. Now for the second scoop. Now for the second scoop, I want to use the color pink. This is the color pink. Now let's get started. Here you go. This is a big scoop. There you go, I'm done with the pink. We still have to color in the cone. What color should I use? I know, let's use the color brown. This is the color brown. There you go. Let's get this open and let's color in the cone. There you go. There you go, I'm done with the brown, and I'm done with the cone also. Yellow, pink, brown. Now I want to make this picture even cuter. As you can see on our squishy, it doesn't have any eyelashes over here, but to make it even cuter, I want to add some eyelashes. So let's do it. So we're gonna go. There we go. She looks much pretty now. Now let's do it to the other side. Now she looks so pretty! Now to make it even cuter, we're gonna do a face up here, which is gonna be so cute. Let's do that. There you go. Now let's do his little mouth. There you go. And, should we do some little cheeks? Let's do it. There you go, let's do it to the other side also. She looks so cute! Aww! She looks so cute. Do you like my picture, guys? If you do, and you know something else that I can draw, comment it down below so I can draw it. Okay, bye! Don't forget to subscribe down below and like down below. And also don't forget to press the notification button, which is a tiny bell. Bye! Hope I can see you soon in my other videos.